All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, can you make $100,000 a year as an auto tech? Truth of the matter is, absolutely. Yes, you can. You can make that kind of money, $100,000 and more a year as an auto tech. But, here's the but. One, you're definitely not making that right out of tech school. Don't care what they say, a couple years after you get out of tech school, you're not pulling in six figures. You're not. Sorry. It's just not going to happen. Two, I know I'm going to get a lot of comments. I don't make that and I've been doing this 20 years. I did not say it was easy to make that kind of money. It is not. You're not going to be the average Joe making $100,000. You want to make that kind of money, you have to be top of your field, the most in-demand technician who can turn hours, diagnose cars correctly, almost no comebacks, and you get to demand top dollar for your services. If you're in small town America, if you're in an itty-bitty little town, yeah, probably not. But if you're in a major city, you work at a busy shop, and you are top of your field, yes, you can absolutely make more than $100,000 a year. But again, it's not easy. One, you got to keep moving. If you're trying to make that kind of money, even as an hourly or salary technician, you got to be producing. I mean, producing a lot. You're not, coming in and drinking your coffee for an hour and screwing around, on your phone, Facebook, everything else. You're not doing that. You're coming in, you're rocking and rolling until lunch, and, you're grabbing lunch, you're getting back to it, you're hauling butt to make a paycheck. You're there to work, so you do everything you can to put out quality work day in, day out, every single day. That's the only way you're making that kind of money. You're not making it coming in going, I don't feel like doing that. I'm just going to sit in the corner and drink some coffee and, hang out. You're not doing that. If you want to make the real money, you got to work for it. Work, work, work. Now, I know there's going to be more comments. Oh, well, the only way you make that kind of money in this business is to steal from people. No, you don't have to steal from people. There's plenty of legitimate work out there. There's no reason to steal. Yeah, this car comes in, the fluids look pristine, but that next car, it needs services. There's no reason ever to steal in this business unless you're just a dishonest person. So yes, you can absolutely make $100,000 a year and not steal, not cheat, nothing. Doing a quality repair, doing quality diagnostics, and turning out quality work. You absolutely can, without exception. And the guys that complain about a lot of that stuff are bitter because they can't. One, you're not making $100,000 a year making 12 bucks an hour flat rate. I mean, I guess you could, but it'd be really, really hard. But if you want to make real money in this business, you want your labor rate a whole lot higher than 12 bucks an hour. So you're not getting there coming out of tech school. So you have to understand, some guys and gals are never going to make $100,000 a year. They're just not. One, they might live in a small market that just can't support a labor rate that is conducive to making a large amount of money unless you own a shop. Two, you may never get to the point in your career, talent, ability, opportunities, any of those things, where your actual pay scale is high enough to get you close to that. The other reason is you just don't push yourself. The last reason is talent. I mean, there's guys that can hang ball joints all day long, faster than anybody else, but give them a, simple electrical diagram and they spend an hour and a half on a bulb circuit. I've seen it. Take other guys. They do good, but once they get into complex stuff, they start getting a little skittish, and the boss isn't going to give them the big raise to get them to the top tier when it takes them 2 hours to diagnose a evap code. But the ultimate thing is, yes, you can absolutely make $100,000 a year in this business, but it is not easy at all. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments, I know there's going to be a bunch. And again, I said it's not going to be easy. And for some guys, even possible. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.